So, today I'm going to be making my second attempt at picking the challenge lock sent in by 3Raccoonsinacoat from Reddit. So I have picked it before, I have gutted it before, I know what it's like on the inside. That being said, my video for picking and gutting was not continuous, so I want to pick it and gut it in one go, and that's what we're doing today. If any of the things that I do don't make too much sense, don't worry about it. I explained some of it in my past video, and yeah. Actually, you know what? Let's see how this guy does. Alright, so that's the pick. And now for the gut. So we have a screw in here, and it should be just finger tight. Perfect. Actually, that's what this part is for, isn't it? Might as well make use of it. Whew. Okay. So we will turn this. Actually, I don't have the key immediately with me because it's all packed up and ready to go, but I think I can get it. It only makes sense, actually. Picking and gutting is kind of the spoiler segment. So if you don't want spoilers, leave now. Okay. So this is the key. A beautiful handmade key. Very nice. So let's lock this back up. Then use key, and then uh-oh. You don't cooperate very well, do you? There you go. Turn that way. I don't want to turn it the other way. It turns this way. I want to turn it towards me so I can get the back of this guy up blocking the keyway. There we go. So that the follower doesn't get in the way. Actually, I think I have a better one here. Okay, here we go. So Beautiful. Okay. I hope I haven't left frame. And then, whew, I should be able to just do pin 1, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, okay, pin 2, and lastly, this guy tends to get stuck. Pin 6. Okay. So let's clean these up a little bit. And a boom. Okay, now maybe I'll get this a little bit more central. In pin slot number 1, just look at these. Beautiful. And number 2. Woo! That spring wants to come out too. In number 2, we have another beautiful handmade spool. It's almost like a hybrid between a serrated and a spool. In number 3, we have nothing coming out. And that is because, I'm sure you can see down there, the pin is just all the way down below without a spring. This monstrosity is magnificent. I'm not sure which orientation is supposed to go. Okay, I'll just take pin 1 spring out. So pin 3 had no spring. I'll go to pin 4. And pin 4 is flush. Pin 4, if we look down that chamber, see there is actually a tiny spring down there. But, oh, actually we did get it out. Okay, cool. There's our tiny spring. Now let's go to pin 5. I didn't get that out in yesterday's pick and gut. Here's pin 5. And pin 6. Now then, apparently, I'll just remove these springs because they are both the same spring. Apparently there's an Easter egg on the inside of this lock, somewhere hidden within the pins, I guess. I was told the Easter egg had to do with only the orientation of pin 3 matters. Only the orientation of pin 3 matters for the Easter egg. Three raccoons in a coat. I'm afraid I don't quite get it. Well, the lock says pick me, and I picked it. It was a pleasure to pick and gut this lock. Thank you for sending it to me, and I'll be glad to send it on its way. Roon Picker is going to be the next person to receive it. On Reddit, that's user Dark Side of Link. And yeah, so I'll pack this up and send it off soon. Cool. Thanks again.